If there is light in the soul, there will be beauty in the person. If there is beauty in the person, there will be harmony in the house. If there is harmony in the house, there will be order in the nation. If there is order in the nation, there will be peace in the world. All social, political, and religious organizations have the same goal: peace and harmony. So everyone is trying to bring uniformity in the world. Sant Nirankari Mission, however, does not believe in uniformity. Rather, it preaches unity in diversity. That's why, despite the diversities of their languages and cultures, race, color, and nationalities, people from all walks of life are joining this mission all over the world. Here are some glimpses. This unity, this togetherness, this harmony would not be possible until and unless we realize that we all are children of the same God. Sant Nirankari Mission is bringing the mankind together by establishing the fatherhood of one Almighty God, and thus creating universal brotherhood among the mankind. Religion in the true sense must start with cleansing one's mind and thoughts. Then the true spirituality naturally flows into our actions. A true devotee loves all and renders selfless services to anyone and everyone in need. Besides providing the spiritual awakening through realization of one Almighty God, the Sant Nirankari Mission also renders selfless social services in every field. Satguru Baba Hardev Singh Ji Maharaj enables one to realize the Supreme Being by bestowing the divine vision. He changing every heart he touches, enlightening every soul he blesses, making every life happy and blissful. He is tirelessly working day and night to bring the mankind together, to make this world a better place to live. Let us all join him.